In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the mortgage calculator in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Origin Financial does not have a separate mortgage calculator page, but you can use the forecast tool to model a mortgage and see how it affects your finances over time. Start by going to the Forecast tab from the main menu. This section helps you project future financial outcomes based on different life events and financial decisions. Inside the Forecast tool, add a new life event and choose a home purchase scenario. You will then be asked to enter important mortgage details, including the purchase price of the home, your down payment amount, loan term, and interest rate. These details allow Origin to estimate how the mortgage will impact your long-term finances. After entering the information, review the forecast results shown on the screen. Origin will display projections for your net worth, cash flow, and overall financial success rate based on the assumptions you entered. You can also adjust values like the loan amount, interest rate, or down payment to compare different mortgage scenarios and see how they affect your future financial outlook. This is a useful way to estimate affordability, test different home buying options, and understand the long-term impact of a mortgage before making a decision. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.